Hello guys, it's Tony Savage here. We are with the dirt bike, as you can see. I'm about to start it up and ride to Tony's house. This is my street. And yeah, I'm about to start it up and get to it. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to YouTube. Tony Savage. Whatever this dude's name is. Okay, William. And he's making a noise. And this, I don't know if he have a YouTube channel, but I don't know. And there's Go Gamer Boy Shape 369. Right there. Where's she at?
Okay, so we go inside.
This may be a short video.
We see if we can play 2 games, but then we come right back out. Y'all see this?
Oh my god, dude.
Okay, so Tony, stop.
You gonna jump on the trampoline?
Yeah, we about to jump you. Wait, so Tony.
Let me take the camera with me.
Alright, I took it for a ride already.
I know, I want to do it again.
Oh, you rode it around? Okay.
Dude!
Oh, is this on?
No, it's off.
Oh.
Why would it be on? It wouldn't be making a noise, you retard. Even though YouTube knows that.
I don't care. So, yeah, just like the app you
Can I use it? Can I see it and take them for a ride?
Alright.
You know, like I can't like switch gears on it while I'm like videoing, so I'm gonna need to borrow this. And
Look at this dude. Why are you holding it like that? Yeah, man.
Okay, I guess
You have to hold it like this.
this is going to be the end of my video.
no,
Yes,
not yet.
it's going to be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And peace.